You're on the floor anyway. If you're on the floor, you're out of the game. Back.
That's the structure. No, not now. Keep it in! What's on? He's going to run. Boy, Charlie! Kick it! One more! Shoot! Get down! Oh, great man. Boys, both full! Play, boys! Five all day.
Look, change your face. You alright? Thanks for running the line. There's your mark. There's your mark.
Oh, well, we're swapping here.
Boys, ready, let's go!
Stop. Stop with one, Jordan.
Will, pull! And back! Go back, easy! Go! I'm coming! Chase it!
It's off a finger! It's off a finger! All onside! That's alright, it's onside! Silky. Penalty. Okay, too high. Too high. High. Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Touch the finger there.
Huh?
It touched the finger as it was kicked, so everyone's onside, okay? That's all right? You're good. They're not going quick, No. Just to explain. When he kicked it, touched the finger, so I called it. Yeah, I told you, everyone's onside.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
With me, boys. Let's go. Play some attacking rugby now, yeah?
About 3. It's your mark, yeah? Better not stay up here.
Hold. Yep.
Yeah, no.
We'll go with it!
Get outside, boys.
Look round! Down, boys! Head up, lad! Push him out! With him! Get to him! With that kid, with him!
Leave him now. He was sort of spinning on you and you were spinning on him.
Got Charles.
Go with him, Will!
No, we're going high, we're going too high. You've got to go lower.
You've been watching. How many? I'm not. Will, wait. Hang on. How many to the card, please?
Don't worry, don't ask for a card.
Oh, no, okay, sorry. How many?
Never ask for that.
You're right.